Hello little learners, welcome to EchoGen Phonics. Today we are going to learn about S makes Z sound. Why? What is the reason here? Can we read the words here? Sand, bus, sun, master. Here prison, cause, reason, please, tease, cousin, easy. Why so? The letter S, when it comes between two vowels, it makes Z sound. Here in prison, I and O are vowel. So S is coming in between the vowel. So it makes the sound Z. Here in cause, S comes between U and E. Both are vowels. So it sounds Z. It makes the word cause. Here in reason, A and O are vowels. It makes the sound Z. Here in please, S makes the sound Z. Here in tease, S makes the sound Z. In cousin, Z. In easy, Z. Here we are taking Y as a silent vowel. Hope you understand the concept. Please comment below some more words. Follow and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.